Now we can study ribs through diagram. Now we are studying atypical rib. We say that first rib, second rib, 10th, 11th and 12th rib are atypical rib. But we will study first rib because of its clinical importance. This is first rib. We can see that first rib is shorter than all typical ribs. This is first ribs. It has head and one facet for its articulation. This point is groove for subclavian arteries, and the tubercle for scalenus anterior muscle, and this area is groove for subclavian vein. Now we can see that this is scalenus anterior muscle which attached to the first rib at its upper border and inferior surface, and anterior to scalenus anterior muscle subclavian vein across the ribs, and posterior to scalenus anterior muscle brachial plexus and subclavian artery cross the ribs and lie in contact with the bone. Now thank you for watching my videos.